Hey friends, if you're a multitasker and wish to split screen on your Windows computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the procedure. Right click on the start button, select settings on the menu. Now go to the system tab on the list on the left hand side. In the right pane, select multitasking. And then there's an option called snap windows. If you expand it, it will give options on what will happen when you try to snap windows. Okay, so you have to, here's what you have to do. Press alt plus tab. Okay, and you'll get a lot of these options. When you press it once, it will open the snap layout screen, and after that it will give you the option to move through them each time you hit tab. So I've done this. Now I will go to this one and then I will select this one. Okay, wait, I will select this one. Right now I can have both the windows here, and if I try to arrange them accordingly, then you will notice that I have split the screen. Okay, I can do a lot of things, not just splitting screen. I can split it into 4, I can split it into 3, I can do anything that I want to. And earlier we could just split it into 2, but now we have countless options. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.